Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many Clash of Clans players wonder about chests, but this game works a bit differently. Instead of literal chests to open, you'll earn incredible rewards and bonuses through consistent gameplay. These valuable gains help you upgrade your base and troops much faster. We're going to explore the best strategies to consistently fill your storages with all the loot you need, ready for those big upgrades in 2025. Your daily star bonus is arguably the most reliable way to get a chest of resources every day. Just secure 5 stars from multiplayer battles, and you'll unlock a substantial amount of gold, elixir, and dark elixir. It resets every 24 hours, so make it a daily habit to collect this valuable bonus. Staying consistent with your attacks will really boost your resource income. Joining an active clan is absolutely crucial for big rewards. Clan War Leagues shower you with league medals, which you can spend in the league shop on powerful magic items. And don't forget clan games. By completing challenges, you'll unlock tiers of fantastic rewards, including books, runes, and resources. Teamwork really does make the dream work when it comes to these valuable chests. Season challenges are another incredible source of consistent rewards, updating every month. Even without purchasing the gold pass, you can earn many valuable items like resources, magic items, and even gems. Always check the trader daily too. They often have great deals on resources or magic items that can be incredibly helpful for your base. These opportunities pop up regularly, so keep an eye out. Remember to remove those obstacles around your base. They sometimes give you free gems, which are always useful. Also, look out for special in-game events that offer boosted loot or unique rewards for completing specific tasks. The key to getting all these valuable chests and resources is consistent gameplay and smart upgrades. Keep your builders busy, and your village will thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.